basic concept in geometry. What is the basic concept? Means to prove or to explain anything we can assume some points. किसी भी चीज को एक्सप्लेन करने के लिए या उसको प्रूव करने के लिए हमें कुछ ना कुछ तो भी एक फिक्स अज्यूम करना पड़ता है. There are such terms in the geometry. Geometry means geo plus metry. Geo means earth, metry means measurement. That is the geometry, and we studied the Euclidean geometry. To starting that, before concepts, first there are some concept, that is the point, that is the line, and there is the plane. That is the three major and basic part. That all these three terms we cannot define. That is assumed as a truth. That a dot means the point. That a set of points is called as the line, which is a infinite in both the sides. And that is the plane. Plane which is the infinite on all the four sides. With that plane means that board also, your surface of the wall also, or any surface is called as the plane. And that is self-defined. We cannot define. There is no definition. After that we studied. In 8th class, you studied about the number line. What is the number line? If the number on the lines is called the number line. For that is one line, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. There are the numbers on the line. All the numbers are the integer here, present, given. That is called the number line. You studied up to the 8th class. 8वीं क्लास तक ये आपने पढ़ चुके हैं. If there is the number, that is the letters, we represent that points, the numbers A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and H. That letters is the graph points. That is the graph point. And all these numbers which is related to that point is known as the coordinate. That is the coordinate. Every point related with any one of the numbers, because all the real numbers you studied in the maths 1, that is the real numbers. Every point on the line is related with any real numbers, and all the numbers is known as the coordinates, and the name, alphabetical name which given to that point is called as the graph point. Means here the coordinate of point A, which number is related with the point A? पॉइंट ए से कौन सा नंबर रिलेटेड है? पॉइंट ए यहाँ पे है, इससे रिलेटेड ये कौन सा नंबर है? -2. Therefore coordinate of A is -2. Coordinate of B is related with the number 2. Therefore the coordinate of B is 2. What is the coordinate of a D. D is related with the 0, therefore the coordinate of D is 0. The values of numbers on the number line are increases from left to right. Increases from left to right. When we compare the number, for that comparison, there is the positions of the number on the number line. The right hand side number are greater as compared to their left hand sides. Value left hand side से right hand side तक increase जाती है. Means 1 is greater than 0, 2 is greater than 0, 2 is greater than -2, -3. That means 0 is greater than -1. 0 is greater than -2. इस पॉजिटिव नंबर की वैल्यूज इंक्रीज होते जाएंगी. जैसे जैसे लेफ्ट में जाओगे तो वैल्यूज कैसे हो जाएंगी, प्लेस वैल्यूज उसकी डिक्रीज होते जाएंगे. With respect to that coordinate, we find out the distance between the any 2 points. Now after that coordinate, that is the distance. How we find out the distance? Distance between point the CD or CB. Distance between the point between to the CB, C and B. Distance between points C and B or B and C. For that, coordinate of C, similarly the coordinates of B. What is the coordinates of C? Which number is related with the C? -1. Which number is related with the B? 2. Now compare these two numbers, -1 and 2. -1 is in the left hand sides of the 2. Therefore, 2 is greater than -1. 2 is greater than -1. Now find out the distance between the CB. We write the distance in bracket C comma B. Distance between the CB is equal to the difference between the two numbers. Means we subtract the lower numbers from the higher numbers. The coordinate of point C is -1. Coordinates of point B is 2. 2 is greater than -1. Therefore, distance between the point C and B is equal to 2 minus another coordinates is -1. That is equal to the 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. Distance between the C and B is 3. That is the point C. That is the point B. That is the 3 unit distance, means that is 1 unit, second unit, and that is the third unit, means total 3 unit distance. बड़े नंबर से छोटा नंबर हमें, या बड़े कोऑर्डिनेट से छोटा कोऑर्डिनेट क्या करना है, सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है. सब्ट्रैक्ट करते समय जो भी सब्ट्रैक्शन आएगा, डिफरेंस आएगा, दैट इज द डिस्टेंस. डिस्टेंस इज नेवर नेगेटिव. दो पॉइंट के बीच का जो भी डिस्टेंस है वो कभी भी निगेटिव नहीं रहेगा, वो ऑलवेज पॉजिटिव ही रहेगा. व्हेन वी फाइंड आउट द डिस्टेंस, डिस्टेंस इज नेवर नेगेटिव. नाउ फ्रॉम दैट नंबर लाइन, हाउ वी फाइंड आउट द डिस्टेंस? डिस्टेंस बिटवीन द 2 points, any 2 points, GH. Distance between the any 2 points, GH. For that, with the same procedure, coordinate of point G. Similarly, आप पहले लिखना है coordinates of point H. G is related with the -3. Therefore, the coordinate of G is -3. H is related with the 1. Therefore, the coordinates of H is 1. Now compare these two numbers, -3 and 1. Which number is small and which number is great? How we find out that how we compare? इसको कंपेयर कैसे करेंगे? तो नंबर लाइन देखो, नंबर लाइन में -3 सिंपल ये देखना है अपना लेफ्ट हैंड साइड से और राइट हैंड साइड। तो नंबर लाइन में -3 और 1 कौन से साइड में है और 1 के कंपैरिजन में -3 कौन से साइड में? जो लेफ्ट में है वो छोटा नंबर, जो राइट हैंड साइड में है वो बड़ा नंबर। Here -3 and 1 when we compare, -3 is on the left hand sides as compared to 1. That's why the -3 is less than 1, or we can say that 1 is a greater than -3. -3 से 1 क्या है? बड़ा नंबर है। To find out the distance between the GH, we subtract the lower coordinates from the higher coordinates. Therefore, distance of GH is equal to, बड़ा कोऑर्डिनेट्स कौन सा है? 1 माइनस छोटा कोऑर्डिनेट्स कौन सा है? -3। कोऑर्डिनेट्स लेना है विद द साइन आपको उठाना है, ऐसा नहीं कि 1 -3 डायरेक्टली लिख दो। That is a minus for subtraction, that minus for that symbol, or that is the representation of that number on the number line. 1 minus of -3 means 1 minus into minus plus 3 is equal to 4. That is the method to find out the distance between the any two points on the number. Now betweenness. What is the betweenness? If we in a class we sitting on the 3-seater bench, there are the 3 students are sitting on the 3-seater bench. One student is in between another 2. That's why here, depending upon that distance, we find out the betweenness of any 2 points. मीन्स जैसे ये एक पॉइंट ये, दूसरा पॉइंट सी, तीसरा पॉइंट डी, ये 3 पॉइंट्स। 3 पॉइंट्स में कौन सा पॉइंट्स 2 पॉइंट्स के बीच में है? बीच में एग्जैक्टली भी इन बिटवीन या मिड पॉइंट में मिडल में है, ऐसा नहीं है। दोनों के इनसाइड। ये और ए सी डी है, तो ए सी डी में यहाँ पे कौन सा पॉइंट इनसाइड में है दोनों के? दैट इज द पॉइंट सी इज इन बिटवीन ए एंड डी। दैट betweenness means here, if we find out first point A, C and D, the point C lies in between A and D, and we represent, that means A dash C dash D. That is the representation of a betweenness. Now we see on the number line, therefore we can directly see that the C is in between A and D, but the number line is not given, only coordinates are given. Then how we find out the betweenness? In that ACD, we find out the first distance AC. Distance AC find out करो। C का कोऑर्डिनेट्स -1, A का कोऑर्डिनेट्स -2। Therefore -1 is greater than -2. -2 लेफ्ट में है तो छोटा है, -1 बड़ा है। Therefore -1 minus -2. Therefore -1 minus into minus plus 2 is equal to 1. डिस्टेंस ऑफ CD निकालो। C का कोऑर्डिनेट्स -1, D का कोऑर्डिनेट्स 0 है। 0 is greater than -1. Therefore 0 minus of -1 is equal to minus into minus plus 1. और A और D का डिस्टेंस निकालो। डिस्टेंस बिटवीन द AD is equal to, A का कोऑर्डिनेट्स -2, D का कोऑर्डिनेट 0, दैट मीन्स 0 minus of -2 is equal to 2. Now distance AC plus distance CD is equal to distance AD. from 1, 2 and 3 equation. From 1, 2 and 3. AC is equal to 1, CD is equal to 1, 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. AC plus CD is equal to AD. Both are the collinear, all the 3 points are the collinear. Therefore, the point C, hence the point A dash C dash D, that is the betweenness, or C lies in between the A and D. With that information, we solve the practice set 1.1 also. In that 1.1, there are some coordinates are given, some number lines are given, and with that number lines, we find out the same distance. It's okay, understand? Any problem in the betweenness and to find out the distance?